Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quaz. To tell you in this tutorial how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case you have lost your Gmail password, in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, change the everything. So now you are unable to, you are not in a position to reset your Gmail password because of you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. Then what's the alternative options? What's the latest updated Google guide to reset your password? We will see in these tutorials, and of course I'm sure you will be able to recover it even if you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone numbers. Unfortunately, this idea has been recommended, of course recommended by one viewer who has lost his device today. So now he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number so that he can go in positions to reset the password and he can secure his data. So let's see now the water. Here is essentially that I did not provide enough information, guys. By a normal method, we are having the problem that, see here, if we go for next, here is asking for the password. We don't have a password, guys, here. So see, that is asking the last password. We don't have. So in that condition, the way can I have a special element? Try another way. Now see, we don't have a special phone number, so that now it's essential that I did not provide enough information. By difference, email, if you try the multiple times, so then Google will open the another page. There, Google will contact you. There's option there. You will have to give proof identity on the basis of via different email that you will have to submit. Google will endorse that this account is linked with the family. If it is, then of course you will have the strong opportunity to either reset your email password. But if you don't, then of course you won't be able to. But the whole the procedure can be expected times in that more than 48 hours. We cannot wait such a long time, so let's recover it quickly. So tap on especially in the Play Store and we will come in especially Opera browser with AI, artificial intelligence and virtual private networks. Both we will access and easily this can be recovered. How it is? Yes, here is installing. So on the other hand, we will come in Google and two chances is very mandatory. Of course, we will hold this G browser. We will tap on especially in this and now we will tap on this allow and here back it off this notifications, and then of course we will have to back and now see 2 times it has been done. So just we will come on here once again, hold it and just we will tap on it. Now notification is already blocked, so we will come to permission. In the permission of course we'll have to come to location, make the precise location of first, then click here don't allow anyway, no longer function as intended. It's saying that before timing I'm doing it. So now we will have to back and one more time we will have to back, then make it off this, then set as a default. Yes, tap on it, we will clear 4-5 times here, then make it enable, then once again clear, then of course we will back and cut it from here, guys. We have another browser also, check it out, that yes, this Chrome browser is having here. So this is also product of Google, so we will have to yes render all the formality here, notification off, and then of course we will come in back to the permissions to make the free of space off, tap on the location, make the precise location off, click here don't allow anyway, then of course we will click here don't allow anyway the 4 timings, and then we will have to back and here we will have to one more time here, one more time we will have to come now set as a default browser, and we will pick on these ones. Now we will cut it from here. Now what we will do, guys, here simply we will open this Opera browser that has been open now. Of course it has been installed. So now here what we will do, just we will go for next and here we will go for allow. Now here we will have to pick this G browser. Let's tap on. Now directly we are on here, just to click on a sign in, tap on it. Now we will go for here write this particular ID. Here it is. Now we will pick this and we will go for here next. So now see here, it is asking a password. Don't worry. Yes, we will go for here. Tap on it to forgot. Now here, just to tap on that, we don't have this device. Just to tap on it, try another way. Now it's asking us, please allow me the password. Just we will go for try another way. Now we don't have phone numbers. Just to click on a try. So now see, lot of the especially now see this option is also given. So how many opportunity has been given? So anyone's out of them. So of course you can access. We will go for last options, that is the more tips to recover this account. These options we cannot access that answer as many questions as we can. Second, use the device where the sign in the report. Third option that your account is family links with etc etc. Fourth one, more tips to recover this account. Don't click on try again, so otherwise this account would be afresh because I'm trying to recover this account by a different browser. This can be easily tracked by the Google. So how would I especially approach these options? So don't click on here, just we will come on by Google itself. How it is, Google will recover your account. How it is, tap on a setting to, of course we will have to come in a special Google service. So let's tap on it. In Google service, of course, we will have options, and that is the help options. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, then now see it's taking time, so we will have to wait here, guys. Sometimes it's taking, so we will have to wait here. If it is not, then of course we will have to a little more back and tap on this once again, this, and pick this Google Help. So now we are on here, the concerns in this Gmail accounts. Then there we will have to become the someone else is using this accounts, secure this account, and after tapping on the secure this accounts, we'll have options under the review your account activities. In there we can see here, go to your Google accounts, or second is on left screen navigation, the pattern that I have already done. Yes, on a screen navigation, navigation, the location of course, and the precise location we have already done. The third is review the security event, and of course that I have already done. So now check out your suspicious activities. So fourth ones, of course, we will have to go for especially find out if your account has been hacked. So just to tap on it. Now after tapping on this, we have a special recovery page. Just tap on this arrow. So now that we are on here, just we will have to just tap on this particular, pick this special ID, and upon of course here simply just we will have to go for next. Now see here, directly would be here. Now what we will have to do, don't click on a continue. What will happen is especially if we go for continue directly, then you would be trapped in its verify options in there. So without having a special the verifications, directly we can tap on it to change the password, and when we tap on so then we will have this strong opportunity to other change the password, of course, confirms a new password, reset the password, and after changing this, then of course we will have to go in especially this sector. In there, of course, you will have the special managers Gmail accounts. If you tap on it, then of course you will have to go in especially security center there, add the recovery email and the recovery email, so that this kind of special incident won't be happens there. After adding option there, of course this account will be a permanent yours on the live screen that we can or they create right now, because we will have to deliver this my viewers. So this is all about in this video tutorial. After screen off, of course after generating this we'll have to deliver. So to know more information, if you have any confusions, and then of course drop the query in the comments box, and please would manage to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.